And today, the topic for discussion today, some of you are a little surprised. What is this topic? Some are said, come, right? Something very interesting topic. Okay, come, let us go the other way. Yeah, means what? Everybody is going in one way. You want to go the other way. Why should we do that? Imagine if everyone is going in one way, if you follow them, you too will reach where they have reached. You too will reach at the place at the same time. That means if you do what others have done, you will get what others have got. So all great people, what they do, they think how something can be done differently so that they can get some better results. Sometimes there's always a problem. There's always a danger that we might fail, but unless you take a risk, there's nothing that we can achieve. When the batsman who is at the crease, he is trying to hit the ball for a six, there's always danger, risk that the ball might be caught by the fielder at the boundary line. But unless he takes the risk, 6 runs won't come. Yes or no? Like that, we should also take some calculated risks. Let me tell you that human beings, how do they behave? Ever since human beings have evolved, they have been wanting to show supremacy when it compared to other animals, insects, birds. Human beings, what they have done, they put birds in the cages, tiger, lions, elephants, they're able to catch them, they're able to train them, and they're able to make them to do some circus. How? By using their muscle power. Have you ever come across that one elephant has put a man in a cage, as an elephant has made a man to do circus? Never ever has done, right? And how did the man do? Man, ever since he was evolved, no, I want to show my supremacy. Means either you are big or I am big. Your village is greater or my village is greater. My city is bigger, your city is bigger. My district is greater, your district is greater. My state is better or your state is better. My country is better, your country is better. For that matter, your community or my community, your caste or my caste, your religion or my religion, your house or my house, you or I, there has always been a supremacy. They wanted to exhibit the supremacy, that I am the best. How? By using their muscle power. Look at the six-pack body. Are you able to see? Look at my muscles. Because after lockdown, 2 months I didn't go to gym. Now I started going to gym. Now you can see now little muscles now. Can you see this? I lost 2 kg weight also. Now I am exactly 70 kg weight. Every day morning 5 o'clock I go to gym and 7 o'clock I return home. 2 hours I work out in the gym every day. Right? So what people have done, they try to invade. They try to go for a war. Battlefield. Alexander the Great, Julius Caesar, Napoleon Bonaparte, Adolf Hitler. Everyone wanted to do some war. Kalinga War or Chandragupta Maurya. Anybody for that matter. So they used to go for war. They used to fight. Initially, they used to fight with hands. Then they found out some weapons. They used to fight. Then guns. Then today, atomic bomb. But people today say even the COVID-19 is a biological warfare. Means they don't want other countries to succeed. So they create some virus and they leave it so that the economy of other countries get affected. Yes or no? Yes or no? And after some time, people thought it is not okay to go for war. Then what to do? Then they invented something called a game or a sport. Hockey, kabaddi, football, basketball, volleyball, swimming, running. And then they had, different games, national games, Asian games, Commonwealth games. And, next month, we're going to have Tokyo Olympics. Yes or no? That means who can run faster, who can jump higher, who can lift more weight, who can throw, right? Shot put far away, right? Who are the people who can actually play this particular game better? All about physical power. Yes or no? Tokyo Olympics. And let me tell you that this year Tokyo Olympics from India, we're having 117 people are going to go to Tokyo representing India. How many? 117. Can you believe this? Out of this 117, 25% people are from the state of Haryana. Which state? Haryana. 16% are from the state called Punjab. That means 25 plus 16. How much is that? Why? 25 plus 16.
37, sir.
41.
41 coming from these two states, Haryana, Punjab, two small tiny states. Rest of the 26 states, so many union territories, they're hardly giving how much? Okay, now that means what? 100 minus 41, how much will become?
59.
59. If you talk about Telangana, if you talk about Andhra, if you talk about Tamil Nadu, if you talk about Kerala, we are not even getting one person representing. You understand this? And let me tell you, all these years, how many Olympic medals that India has won? Let me just tell you this, okay? That means India had won so far 26 Olympic medals it has won. How many? 26. But in America, every street, there will be one guy who must have won a gold medal in Olympics. In every house, there will be somebody who had participated in Olympics. In US, in China, 1.4 billion people, and one girl gets a silver medal in the Olympics. Whole India is gaga, celebration. Don't you feel ashamed that 1.4 billion people and we are celebrating one silver medal? Why is it? Because our focus is about getting into IIT, getting into NEET exam, becoming an IAS officer, making money. But we don't exhibit in sports. In China, husband and wife, they have only one child. Only one child. They cannot buy the land the way we buy. Your father has got 3 houses. Your amma want 5 acres of more land. Your daddy want to buy 1 more farmhouse. Your grandmother has got 5 kg of gold. Your dad has got 100 crores rupees in Swiss bank, black money. He has got such a big business. In China, you cannot buy land. You cannot buy more than 1 house. You cannot buy gold more than the limit. If you keep more money in the bank, the government will take it. Right? And husband and wife, only one child, not 2 people, only one child. So 2 people have to work. And so much money they make, they cannot buy land, they cannot buy house, they cannot buy gold, and they cannot keep in the bank. What they have to do? They have to spend money on themselves. And what? They try to invest that money on their children, on that baby. They want to teach gymnastics. They want to teach swimming. They want to teach the baby how to play badminton. They want to teach children how to play this memory sport, how to excel in academics. That's why China is giving run for money to America in getting different gold medals in different fields. And every parent is bothered about it. But look at your parents. Most of parents, they'll buy one dress for you. But if you say, Amma, I want to take part in the memory championship, what will Amma say? Chop! 1,499. No! Amma will buy gold, okay? But she will not even buy one course for you, right? Means we're interested only for eating, Swiggy and Zomato, going to hotel, going for a tour, buying clothes, buying cars, buying houses, but we're not investing on the neck tab. You understand neck tab? And if you look at Olympics is okay. If you look at Nobel Prizes, how many people have got Nobel Prize till now? You understand this big question mark. Say some people, you know this. Okay, if you say, hello, I am a genius. Okay, look at this. Nobel Prize winners. Who is this person?
Rabindranath
Tagore.
He has got a Nobel Prize for what?
Rabindranath Tagore.
First person to win literature. Who is this person?
C.V. Raman.
Yes, Nobel Prize. But he was not an Indian. He was an NRI, non-resident Indian, born in India, but he settled down in US. That's how he got Nobel Prize. Okay?
Mother Teresa.
Who is this?
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa. and she got
Nobel Prize for
Peace
Peace.
Prize.
Peace.
look at this. Who is this? Amartya
Sen.
Mathasen.
Economics.
He too is an NRI, is not an Indian, is a non-resident Indian. Okay, who is this? Kailash.
Satyarthi.
Yeah, he had joined on the Nobel Prize with the
Environment.
Malala Yousafzai.
Yusuf Zai. Okay, and both of them for peace. You understand this? And that's why we should do why. And hardly anybody has got who is India. You may be topper in education. You may be topper in AT. You may be topper in IAS exam. You may be topper in MBBS exam. But the question is, if you're a topper, you have the best brain. Why is it that you are not winning a Nobel Prize? Norway, Sweden, Germany, France, Italy, small countries, they're able to win Nobel Prize for brain activity. Why we are not able to win? Because our focus is totally disoriented. Understand? Disoriented. That's why we have to ask one question. So far, so good. If I want my country to be the number one, if I have to win a Nobel Prize, I have to do something differently. Come, let us go the other way. Everything is all about asking a question. So my thing is that during my lifetime, if any one of you can win Nobel Prize, I'll be the most happiest guy. I don't know it is possible if you are able to use the neck top. That means ever since human beings have been evolved, they have been showing their physical power. My question is, when is it that you can show your mental power? Who has got the best brain? This memory sport had come in the direction. You may be Virat Kohli. You may be Chris Gayle. Pollard. No, Pollard? Yes, no. Pollard, yaar, West Indian batsman.
Yes, sir.
And he will hit the ball out of the ground so far. Chris Gayle. But he too has to use his brain, which ball to hit, which ball to leave. Yes or no? That means even if you want to excel, excel in physical game, you have to use your mental activity. Virat Kohli should know whom to bring to bowl at what time. He has to know. Bumrah should know how to bowl to the batsman, and batsman should know how to hit the ball. Everything is all about using brain, and this memory sport had come in that direction. So Tony Buzan said, so far so good. Tokyo Olympics, all of them are going to Japan is okay, but can we also check who has got the best brain power? Maybe he's physically challenged. Maybe he doesn't have one hand. Maybe he doesn't have one leg. Maybe he cannot move out of the wheelchair, but he has got a brain which can think. He can invent a medicine for COVID. He can send somebody to the space. He can invent a new machine. He can invent a new computer. He can invent a new programming methodology. And for that, we have to use brain. And all this has happened because of that. Okay. And every great person will ask only one question. What is that? Come, let us go the other way. So our topic is, how can we go the other way? Right? Now, how can we go the other way? By asking what? Questions. So whatever has happened today, all because of asking question. And you know this guy, what is this car? Any idea?
Nano.
Tata.
Car.
Nano.
Who is this guy?
Ratan
Ratan
Tata.
Tata.
You know, Ratan Tata, when he made the nano car, one day I believe in the factory, as the production was going on, suddenly the machinery stopped. So everything came to standstill. What happened? What problem? How to rectify? Nobody knew. Every engineer came, they tried to repair that machinery, and this one, nothing is working. Finally, they called one guy who just graduated from a college, fresher, and he came and let me see. Okay, he took one hammer and then he went to one place and he gave one blow with a hammer. Suddenly, the machinery started to function. Ratan Tata, when he came to know, he was very happy. He said, very good, very good. You are a genius. He said, sir, thank you so much. I want to give you how much money. I want to give you some money. How much should I pay you for this work? He said, give me 1 lakh rupees. Ratan Tata became angry. What man? You took one hammer and simply you gave one hit. For that you want 1 lakh rupees. So that boy smiled and said, sir, for hitting the hammer, only 1 rupee, sir. But to know where to hit with the hammer, the rest of the money is for that. Understand, miss? Okay. Physical power has got a limitation. Everybody can hit, but where to hit? Now that is all about what? Brain power. So he thought something different. Miss, come, let us go the other way. Come, let us go the other way. That's what Ratan Tata said. That is the secret of success. Okay. And you know this guy?
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs. Which
Steve
company?
Jobs.
Any idea? Which company?
Apple. Sir,
Apple, sir.
Apple.
Apple.
Not eating. Apple. What? Apple deals with what?
Apple iPhone.
Mac.
Sir.
Apple phones.
iPhone, your phone, my phone,
iPhone.
All of you got this phone. And when he started his company in a garage, nobody believed that he can make a small little, mobile. And look at him. Today, Apple iPhone is a like trendsetter. It's a symbol of prestige to possess an iPhone. Yes, when they say, I have a latest iPhone, people say, oh my God, you have an iPhone? People treat this as a symbol of success. And because everybody was thinking in one way and he thought the other way, come, let us go the other way. That's the reason for the success of Steve Jobs. What success? Who success? Steve Jobs. And then, come, let us go the other way. You know this person?
Isaac Newton.
Benjamin.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton.
And Newton, what was doing one day?
Gravity. Gravity. Law of gravity.
He fell down. Asked a question. Why is
Newton's law of motion.
Why is it not going up? Ask this question. Then invented laws of
gravitation.
That means my question is, before Newton saw, did Apple not fall before? Many times it must have fallen. Did nobody noticed? Everybody might have noticed. But they didn't ask a question. But Newton asked a question. Why is it coming down? Why is it not going up? From there he invented, because he asked a question. What is this? Come, let us go the
Other way.
what? Let us go the
Other way.
Other ways.
let's go the other way. Okay. And then
Way.
person, any idea?
Benjamin Franklin.
What this person? James Watt.
James Watt.
James Watt, James Watt. What did he do? He was
Steam engine.
some tea one day. Look at this. Some tea was making, and he saw as the steam was coming, it was lifting the lid up and down. He asked a question. Oh, little steam doing little work. If I make more steam, can I move a machine? Then he invented what?
Steam engine.
Steam engine. Today we see one train going from Hyderabad to New Delhi. What? Chuk, 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 chuk. Right? It's all about what? Steam engine.
Steam engine.
Everybody might have made tea, but James Watt asked a question, how can I do something? Because he asked a question, he asked one question, what? Come, let us go the
Other way.
other way. All great people, they have one thing common. Come, let us go the other way. Okay. Now, who you know this?
Archimedes.
Archimedes. And what did he do? You remember this famous story?
Eureka.
What is this Eureka story?
Principle. Archimedes principle.
His
When a body
crown of a gold. He said, without spoiling the crown, make it out whether it is a pure or impure. And he was thinking, he was having his bath in the bathtub. He found his body floating, and then without clothes, that he started running on the road, Eureka, Eureka, and loss of flotation. That means many times many people might have taken bath. They didn't ask a question, why my body is sweating? Ask a question because others didn't ask, but he asked one question, come, let us go the other way. Come, let us go the other way. That's what it is. Let us go the other way. Okay. And these two people?
Aeroplane.
Right, brothers.
Invented aeroplane.
Brothers.
Right.
Aeroplane.
These two people?
Yes, sir. Wright brothers.
Names of these two people.
Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright.
Right. Okay. And they did invent what?
Aeroplane.
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 Birds fly. They said if birds fly, can we also fly? From there came the aeroplane. You understand? Asking a question. Right? Nobody asked, but they said, come, let us go the other way. Come, let us go the other way. You understand? Come, let us go the other way. Come, let us go the other way. And you know who is this person?
Mahatma Gandhi,
Mahatma Gandhi.
What did he do for India?
father of the
One
nation.
independence.
Freedom from Britishers.
Okay. What? He did what? Dandi March.
Dandi March.
Satyagraha. British people, mighty empire, they had the best of weapons. Gandhiji, 56 kg weight. No shirt, no banyan. Only one dhoti, one stick in the hand. Old man, he could drive away people using non-violence. Because everybody, Subhash Chandra Bose, Alluri Sitaramaraju, okay? And then everybody, including that Chiranjeevi movie, you know this, Saira.
Narasimha Reddy.
So all these people, right, they want to use weapons. Bhagat Singh, everyone. But Gandhiji thought something else. He said, can we push them out of the country without using any weapons? Okay. And because of which we are independent India today. Because everybody was asking one question and Gandhi said, come, let us go the
Other way.
Other way.
other way. Come, let us go the other way. Okay. And who know this?
Rajinikanth.
Rajinikanth.
Stylish man.
Anna Jaise. Right? Look at it. Hey. Amma is in love with this uncle, no? And this uncle, if you see, well, man, I lost him now. Look at him. How love. What was he? He was a
Hero.
bus
Bus conductor.
black
Bus
in
conductor.
color, without any hair. Looking. And everyone thought only when you are handsome, like Devanand, Rajesh Khanna, you can become an actor. But he was like that. And then when he was giving ticket in the bus, K. Balachandra asked him a question. And he used to, when he used to issue ticket, no, he used to throw a cigarette in the air and it used to fall in his mouth. And Balachandra said, this trick, I like it. I'm making one movie. Can you act in that movie? He said, sir, yenna sir, yenako acting teriya sir. He said, no, come and act. And one movie, and today, Talaiva, Basha, Robot 2.0, without him, you cannot imagine Tamil cinema. He has got fans in Japan, China, Russia, everywhere, you know. And last week he was in US. He went for some surgery. He just came back from there. You understand, Talaiva? So when he dances, whole Tamil Nadu will shake. Whole Tamil Nadu, whole India will shake. Who? Rajinikanth. That means everyone thought only if you are tall, handsome, you can become actor. But Rajinikanth said, come, let us go the what? Tell me, come, let us go the
Other way.
Other way.
he said, come, let us go the other way.
Let us go the other way.
And memory sport also is like that. Okay. And then you know my story. All of you know my story.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know that I didn't go to school till 12 years of my age. I come from a small place in a village near Nalgonda, very close to Hyderabad, 100 kilometers from here. Such a poor family. 12 years I went to school first time. Can you believe that? Why? No food to eat. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Over. Then I was in the Air Force to clean an aeroplane. Lowest rank. 390 rupees my salary. From there, I learned English. I learned Hindi. Okay. I learned to give speeches. I learned to repair aeroplane. I became best in trade, best in education, best in all-rounder. I became a flight engineer. Then I became a pilot officer in the Air Force. And today I got 6 PG qualifications: MSc Mathematics, Masters in Statistics, MSc Applied Psychology, MSc in Counseling and Psychotherapy, MSc Defense and Strategic Analysis. I've got one MBA. I'm also a mechanical engineer. I'm also a company secretary. These are my academic qualifications. And then you see all my Guinness World Records in my office. I've shown you so many times. And I was a squadron leader, topper, chief of air staff commendation. Today, if I would have continued in the same uniform service, I would have been a brigadier today. Then one day I thought, what I can do to children, what I can do to India, how can I help, how can I change their thinking, how can I wake them up from their sleep? Everybody is talking about Vivekananda, Vivekananda. Can we do something? Then I became a motivational speaker. Then I thought, let me help children. Then I became a memory trainer. Then I thought I should be number one in this field, and there's so many Guinness World Records. And I've taken up this memory sport when everyone is behind ranks, behind getting into IIT and NEET exam, becoming IAS officer, bank PO. I said, you can actually practice this memory sport every day. I told you just now, daily I go 2 hours to the gym. Like that, can we practice half an hour this memory? Then we can have people, 1.4 billion, physically fit, mentally healthy. Then nothing that we cannot achieve. Yes, no? I've taken this memory sport of my lifetime mission. And for last 10 years, I'd been spending money from my pocket to organize this memory championship. Huge expenditure. Are you getting this? Because if I wanted, okay, I would have continued to training program. It takes me 4 to 5 months of my time trying to organize this entire event. And when COVID came, and when there's no offline competition, when you cannot come and I can't meet you, then I thought, let us do online competition. You know how much money I'm spending in developing the software? What makes me to do this? Because I really want to make a difference. And as long as this word memory will be there in the country, now till you become grandmother, until your granddaughter will become grandmother, Jaisimha name will be there whenever you think about memory. When you talk about, ISRO, when you talk about, Sriharikota, you talk about rocket, missile person, you can't talk about missile without Abdul Kalam. Yes or no? Like that, one day they should say, Jaisimha means memory, memory means Jaisimha. That's why I've taken my mission. I'm working this. Because if I wanted, I would have done something else. I would have gone to America today, I would settle down there. One seminar, I would have got huge money. I would have bought one nice, beautiful house and settle down there. But why am I struggling every day? And why do you think a week after week, Monday after Monday, I come and talk to you? Because I want to motivate you. I want to tell you that you are made up for big things in life. You can get the first rank in the school and college. And you can actually become memory champion. And I'm telling you people, last week I told you, this week I'm telling, every week I'm telling, register. Some of you, sir, my mother is not agreeing. What? When you want a dress, how much you will cry? When you want a pair of shoes, how much you will cry? When you want to eat some biryani from Zomato, Swiggy, you want to order fried rice biryani, how much you will cry? You want to go for a tour with your friends, how much you will cry? You want to go for a movie, you say, I want to go for a movie today. Will you not cry? You want to go for sleepover, what do you tell your mom and dad? And you're doing something good. No? Only thing is, your parents are good. They want to know whether you are serious to participate in the memory championship or not. If you are not serious, if they say no, if you keep quiet, then you are not serious. Even if they say no, you should tell, Ma, if I learn this memory, if I practice daily, I have a chance to become Indian memory champion. I can represent India at the World Memory Championship. I can get, extra credit in IIM, IIT, NEET exam, in any job interview. Using those techniques in my studies, any exam, I'll be able to pass much more easily. And I'll have super brain. I'll have great concentration, Ma. Talk to Jaisimha, sir. You should tell, no? Are you telling? You are not telling. So sometimes I get wondered. I get disappointed that why you guys are not serious. Why are you not taking this up? Week after week. So this one thing that we need to really do this, okay? Using brain power, okay? And then only you can become a Nobel Prize winner, right? So your friends are doing something else and then you should say, come, let us go the other way, because Jaisimha sir said, come, let us go the other way, right? And you have to use your head. And for that, how do you use your head? Okay, now your brain this is your brain. How much is your brain? Some of you say, sir, I can't win the competition. I can't win the competition. I don't have a good brain. Look at this. Look at this. What animals are there in this brain? Tell me.
Elephant.
Kangaroo, elephant, deer, peacock, dolphin,
bear,
rabbit,
tiger,
jackal, snake,
Tortoise.
peacock.
so many there.
Bear.
horse.
You know what? God given little brain to every species. All of it combined He has given to us. Our brain has got more than 100 billion neuron cells, and one cell is equal to one supercomputer. So you not becoming memory champion, not possible. Tell me, okay, Jitya, you tell me. You always say, I can't get first rank. Why? The girl who gets first rank, she has got what? One father, two mothers, is it? And you have only one father, one mother? No, sir, my friend has got 4 hands. No, sir, my friend has got 6 legs. Who has got 6 legs? Eh? Sir, my friend has got brain. He has got one extra hard disk also, sir. He has got one extra tail, sir. Right? He is like you. She is like you. Only thing is, they have decided, they have that confidence. You don't have the confidence. That's all the difference is. They have one mother, you have one mother. They have one dad, you have one dad. Now, they have 2 hands, you have 2 hands. They have 2 legs, you have 2 legs. And they have exactly same brain. Our brain has got more than 100 billion neuron cells. And one cell is equal to one supercomputer. One supercomputer. So, doctors say, if we read every book written by every author on every subject in the whole world, you can't even fill 20% of the human brain. Now, that is the brain capacity. Having such a beautiful brain, and what makes you think that you can't crack UPSC exam? What makes you think that you can't get a first, rank in the school? What makes you think that you can't get into IIT? What makes you think that you can't become wonderful memory champion? What makes you think? Problem is not here. Problem is in your thinking that I cannot, I will not be able to do it. Leave that negative thinking and then go ahead. You can do anything. You have such a beautiful brain, but how do you live? I'll show you how do you live. You people having such a beautiful brain, but you are like this, okay? Hello? Whose picture is this, Ray?
White gorilla.
Anna, your, selfie.
Gorilla.
Selfie, your selfie. You take one selfie, looks like this only. Look at your nose, look at your eyes. It looks like exactly this only. 2 minutes into the chair. Ma! Washroom! Amma! Toilet! Amma! Water. For 2 minutes you cannot sit. Having such a beautiful brain, you're living like a monkey. So don't be a monkey who is very, very, impatient. You should be able to sit in the chair and you should be able to practice. Last week, when I did that Super Brains Virtual Summit, Pratik Yadav told you, 10 times Indian memory champion, uncrowned king of memory. He told you, the first thing is you should get habituated to boredom, sitting alone. From there, everything will start from there. Okay, you must fall in love with yourself. Okay, and how you can do? By asking questions. Okay, there's one technique I want to teach all of you. What this technique is all about? 5 wives and 1 husband technique. Some boys are telling, sir, so nice. 5 wives, sir. Hello, your father, 1 wife only problem. 1 amma only torturing your daddy. You have 5 wives, you will die. Don't be very happy. I have 5 wives. Hello, mister. You heard 5 husband and 1 wife in Mahabharata. Yes, sir? No?
Yes, sir.
Draupadi, and she has got 5 husband. What are the 5 husband names, man? Yudhishthir,
Bhima,
Arjun.
Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev.
And wife name is what?
Draupadi.
Okay, now this is the other way. Right? 5 wives and 1 husband. Now they are telling, sir, tell me why wives' names. Monkey fellow. Okay, this is called what? 5, not real 5 wives. It's all about 5 W's, 1 H. Okay? 5 W's and 1 H. Okay? Now W's means what? Who, when, where, what, why. And name of the H is what? How. Okay? How. Okay? Who, when, where, what, why. Name of the husband is what? How. Okay? That means understand. Any answer to any question will fall under the 6 settings only. Who has done it? When did you do? Where did you do? Why did you do? What did you do? Why only this way? Why not the other way? Okay, come, let us go the other way. Asking this question, whether Isaac Newton or, Albert Einstein, James Watt or Archimedes, Wright brothers, or Gandhiji, or Jaisimha, or Rajnikant, or, megastar Chiranjeevi or Amitabh Bachchan or Modi ji. Okay, from being a tea seller, he went on to become the Prime Minister of India. How? It's all about having thinking. Abraham Lincoln, from the son of a cobbler to becoming the very famous American president. How is it all about? It's all about thinking. Come, let us go the other way. Come, let us go the other way. So many people are asking this question. Last, also they asked me question, sir. I want to remember, chemistry. I want to remember physics. I want to remember mathematics. Hello, mathematics we don't remember. We understand. So this method has got one more name called judicious method. Means what? Learning by understanding. So when your teacher is teaching you a lesson in the class, ask these 6 questions. Ma'am, who did it, ma'am? When did you do, ma'am? When did you do, madam? Okay, what did you do, ma'am? What did you do, ma'am? Why not the other way, ma'am? Okay, why not the other way? Ask these 6 questions. If you got answer to these 6 questions, then question might come in any way. So if you want to get into IIT, you want to become a top doctor, you want to become a topmost engineer, you want to win Nobel Prize, you want to become Indian or the world memory champion, you should ask these 6 questions. This is using left brain. So far I've been talking about right brain, creativity, visualization, illogical. Now this is all about reasoning, logical. So computer programming, somebody asks, how do I remember algorithm? You don't remember algorithm. If I take this from left hand side to right hand side, what will happen? If I bring right hand side to left side, what will happen? If you know this answer, no, you would have not gone wrong. Mathematical sum, right? One physics theorem, one chemistry equation. How did it get evolved? If you can ask this question, right? That means what? Imagine, whenever the rain comes, first you see lightning, then you hear the thunderstorm. Yes or no? Why lightning comes first?
Light travels faster than sound.
If you know the answer, you will not forget. In a railway track, between 2 tracks, a small gap is given. For what? To take care of expansion and contraction. You will not have any problem. For example, India's population problem. What was the population when India became independent? What is the population today? Every year we're adding one more Australia to India's population. Why this family planning is not working? How China is able to control their population? Why we are not able to control population? And 2030, when we become number 1, overcoming China's population, now will this infrastructure, these hospitals, these schools, these colleges, these roads, these vehicles, these hotels, these masks, will they be sufficient? What happens when people don't have employment? People kill each other. What should the government do? If you can ask this question, no, you will understand the whole problem of population explosion. You can answer this question. Water becoming the vapor, coming back as a monsoon cycle. So if you know the process, if you can understand, then you know how does the rain comes. Are you getting this? Ask question. India's brain drain. Why people who are into IIT, who become doctor, who become MTechs, why are they leaving India? They want to go to America. Why can't they stay in India? Why are they after money? What about this patriotism? Why don't they love India? Why they use their brain to develop America? Ask this question. Then you know answer for brain drain. Why the corruption is happening? Ask this question. That means anything you want to give a speech, you want to have any understanding, you have to ask this question. Now let me tell you why you go to school, why you go to college. You understand this from a teacher. Okay, teacher will explain. She will make you understand. She will give the reasoning. Why did Ashoka had to do the Kalinga war? Why did Gautama, now Siddhartha became Gautama Buddha? She will tell you, how did he become? Alexander the Great, how did he die? How come America is able to make more money than India? Then she will tell you the logic. She will tell you the reason. And when she will tell you, we don't ask these 6 questions. When did he do? Who did he do? When did he do? What did he do? Why did he do? And how did he do? Ask this question. 5 W's, 1 H. Who, when, where, what, why? Husband name is what? How? Any answer to any question will fall under 6 heading only. Unemployment problem. We talked about why India is not able to win Olympic medal. 117 people are going to Tokyo. How many you think they will get medals from there? And how come China, little more population than India, and they are going to get so many medals? What's the problem? Ask this question. Ask this question. Why? The same person, right? Along with me, my colleague in China, he started the memory competition in China. I started in India 10 years from now. I'm begging you people, I'm pleading, I'm requesting all of you, join for the memory championship. And you have been my students. You know how Jason Masal is committed. Being with him, but even they are not bothered. But that guy, they have a district competition, they have a state competition, province competition, they have China national competition. All of them are becoming world champion. And that guy, he lives in a big, palace. He has got like high-tech city in Hyderabad, no, that much big, memory council for China. And I'm living in a small 4 rooms office in Hyderabad. Why? Because you guys are not taking up, your parents don't listen. This is a problem with India. Ask this question, where are we lacking? What we can do? And this is the way you can remember any science subject. So, for that only we go to school, college, university. That's why I told you, any memory technique will not be able to replace your teacher. Teacher, she'll make you to understand. 6 steps. Who, when, where, what, why. Husband name, how. You know these 6. Then how to remember? Jason Masal. Miss 70 to 80%. Teacher, 20 to 30% Jason Masal. You add all of them, you will become a lethal weapon. Understand? Become unshakable person. Asking question. So anyway, you have to remember engineering subjects, chemistry, biology. Okay, I want to remember, any subject to do with understanding. Long answer question. You need to have these 6 questions. Ask these 6 questions. Then only you can develop the civilization. You can invent a new machinery. You can invent a medicine for COVID. What is happening for the COVID, little virus? How is it shaping, taking shape of different variant? And why we are not able to address? Doctors, they do this only. So you can never replace teacher. As long as we are there, teacher supposed to be there. That's why Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma. Okay, Tasmai Sri, Guruve Namaha means what? There's nobody who is greater than your teacher. So you have to say daily pranams to your teacher. In spite of COVID, your teacher, early morning, she comes and she wakes you up and she gets ready and she is connected on the Zoom, and you people in underwear, some people without clothes, some people lying on the bed, some people not brush teeth only, and madam, you tell, okay, camera off, sleeping. Monkey fellows. The teacher, she has to put lipstick, to powder, kajal, and she has to be ready. Why? Principal will watch. You people, ma'am, my camera not working, ma'am. Ma'am, network issue, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not able to connect Zoom, ma'am. Ma'am, my laptop is not coming on, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday rain came, ma'am. There's no power, ma'am. Who should come and check in your house? Can your teacher say that? Understand? Asking these 6 questions, very important for you. Okay? Who, when, where, what, why, and how. This is the only way you can invent anything for that matter. Anything for that matter. So anyone who has been asking me, how do I remember a concept? How do I remember a theorem? How I remember, right? Computer algorithm. How I remember, a flow chart. How I remember mathematics, right? Anyone is asking, this is a technique. Okay? 5 W's, 1 H. Okay? Who, when, where, what, why, how. This is called understanding method. This would call judicious method. Using this only, you can also excel in the memory sport. Okay? So you have to use this also one method of memorization, because anything you understand, you will retain. Anything you retain, you will be able to recall as well. So memory will be super because you understood the concept. That's how you grow from one class to other class. You keep growing, otherwise not possible. Are you getting this? Okay. Are you understand this? So you have to ask this question. Come, let us go the other way. Okay. You have to master this memory techniques. Okay. And we should be the next memory champion. When? 31st October 2021. Sunday morning, 9 o'clock will be our examination online, sitting at your home. Whether in Jamshedpur, you are in Itarsi, you are in Bhopal, you are in Nagpur, you are in Kolkata, you are in Chennai, you are in Hyderabad, you are in Bangalore, you are in Trivandrum. Doesn't really matter for me. You can be in your house 2 hours without disturbing anyone. You can become the Indian memory champion. Okay. And whose picture is this? Whose picture? I want to show this picture on 31st October. Whose photo should I put? I want to put, okay, a boy, a girl photo. Whose photo is this? your photo. So from now, I want you to put your photograph, right, on a chart paper, right? Jitya Shri, okay? And then Indian National Memory Champion 2021, write it there, right? Place that, okay? Opposite a bed in the
Yes, sir.
bedroom. Daily you sleep. Mommy, memory champion. Daddy, memory champion. Okay, that's all. You tell.
Definitely, sir. Sure, sir.
Champion. Okay, that's very important. I want to put this photograph of yours. That's my face I have not put because that face is yours. Can you imagine? Because everything better will start from imagination. You want to become champion? The thought will start from here. Here. Once you believe in yourself, everything will start. Once you don't believe, nothing is going to work for you. You have to start, work from now. You have to believe that, yes, I can be the next champion. I can lift the trophy. I want to be there in the newspaper. I want to be there in every magazine. I want to be there in the television. I want to be there every Facebook and Instagram and wherever Jason Masa should make one video about me. If you want me to do that, then today is a time for you to register, and you must make sure your classmates, your teachers, your friends, your principal, your correspondent, and all your apartment uncle and auntie, they should know. You should go and tell everyone this is a memory championship Jason Masa are doing, and I want you to watch this video, go to his website and see, and then be part of this memory championship, because you are my brand ambassador. You are my disciples. You are my soldiers. You have to take this momentum forward, because how long I will be alive, I don't know. But as long as I'm there, I will do through you. When I'm not there physically, it is you people who should take this momentum forward. Okay. Through you, I will be living and in my memory championships. And thereby you can benefit in all the exams also. Okay. So you are unique. You are special. And you are a masterpiece. You know that you are, okay? You are a masterpiece. Master means God's only child you are, okay? You can make history. How do you write history? Okay, history, History. What word is that? His story. Or her story. That's how history. Alexander story, Napoleon story, Hitler story, Gandhiji story, Abdul Kalam story, Modiji story, Indira Gandhi story, Jason Masa story, or your story. Your story, okay? You are a genius and the world needs your contribution in the field of memory, okay? So come, let us go the other way today, okay? Come, let us go the other way. Everyone is going in one way, I will go the other way, and I will show you the results, phenomenal results, because Jason Masa is there, okay? Become Indian National Memory Champion 2021. Okay, make memory daily habit. Okay, the way you jog, the way you swim, the way you play games, the way you watch TV, the way you take bath, the way you eat, the way you sleep. Like that, memory should be a daily habit. Okay, and if you can spend 30 minutes a day, your memory will be super till you and I are alive. So whether you are a kid or a junior, adult, senior. So you children, you can take part till 12 years. 13 to 17, junior category. Your mother, father, they too should take part. Your amma will escape. You tell amma, I want you to take part in the competition. And your tata, grandfather, your grandmother, bamma, they too can take part. 85, 90 years, they too can take part. So everyone in the house, they should be able to register for the championship. Okay. So register now, spread the awareness. Okay, and you can register for the championship video course and also the practice software 4 months if you can do, right? And anyway, Sunil sir has pasted the registration link. If you have any problem, which number to contact. 9985041777, 9985031777, visionjai@gmail.com, and that's my personal email ID. JSIMA.in is my website that you already know. Okay. So if you want registration link, not able to click in the chat box, call up these numbers. They will send you the registration link for the championship and also the video course and the practicing software as well. Okay. Now this is from me in advance for being the Indian National Memory Champion. Lot of flowers. I will really give you a nice beautiful hug, one nice beautiful kiss and give you a lot of flowers. But that's going to be 3.5 months ahead, but these flowers are coming from me in advance. Look at, right, nice beautiful bouquet, and you see one yellow flower, one white flower, one pink flower, and one blue flower. All right, and then every flower, okay, including the green grass around it, makes this bouquet so beautiful. So each and every one of you are special in your own way. I don't know whether you want to become a chartered accountant, you want to become a lawyer, you want to become a judge, you want to become a chief minister, you want to become a scientist, you want to become an IAS officer, you want to become a doctor, you want to be an IIT engineer, you want to become a memory trainer like me, you want to become a memory champion, you want to become a businessman, you want to start one big company. I don't know. You are one such person, but all of you can be together in a bouquet, and we can make this India a beautiful country of people who have got that beautiful fragrance and talent. Okay, so come, let us go the other way.